Hey, welcome back to my channel. Shark 1106270180.125 welding rod. Manufacturer, Shark. Part number, 11062. Item weight, 51.2 pounds. Product dimensions, 15 by 4.25 by 4.25 inches. Country of origin, China. Item model number, 11062. Size, 50 pound. Item package quantity, 1. Batteries included, no. Batteries required, no. Domestic shipping, item can be shipped within US. International shipping, this item can be shipped to select countries outside of the US. Learn more. April 18, 2014. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.